We are on a home here in Westmoreland, Tennessee, Sumner County. It's kind of up near the Kentucky border. This homeowner had some wind damage recently from some storms. This house has 3 layers in most areas, and in some areas way more than that. There was some patio cover over here that was removed, and there's about 5 layers there for some odd reason, right in the tie-in. You can see the wind damage, shingles throughout. You can see these rubber collars are pretty wiped out, so wires going right in the attic there. It's a low pitch roof. Technically this thing over here is under 2 and 12, should have a flat application, not shingles. And this section, because it's under 4 and 12, should have a double underlayment. But you can see missing tabs throughout and some lifting. So he's got a pretty good insurance claim. Recommend filing a claim here so you can get insurance to pay for most of the roof. That's the way to go. In a lot of cases, we can get your roof installed just for your deductible, as long as you have recoverable depreciation. We'll walk you through that whole process, explain how insurance works, how it pays out, what all the different terms mean, and we'll be your advocate with your insurance adjuster to make sure they pay for everything that they should, so we can get you the best possible roof we can. That's what we specialize in. Once again, it's Roof MD, Silver Middle, Tennessee.